Alright, hello, welcome back. Here we are again. Yay. Um, it's a bit lagging at the moment, but that's to be expected. As we're gonna be continuing the website building thing, or whatever the hell that is. That's controller 5. Still a bit, still have a little bit of cough, so my apologies. But let's pick up where we left off here. So the reincarnated Phoenix Queen, have your attention, please. Um, what can we do here? That's really. Alright, we're back again. Whee! Hey, what should we do here? Not sure. Should we just um put this one on backward attachment fixed? What was it here? Meridian paint. Background BG. BG head. I don't know, what's BG head? I don't see BG head. I don't see BG head, man. Oh, there we go. Excuse me. Oh, it's an intro thing. There's no thing in there, so it's background attachment fixed. Let's go ahead and take a look at that new thing. Never mind. I'm an idiot. It's not in here. It's supposed to be in the root, man, not in here. There it is. That's more like it. Somehow, but probably might have to. I got tubing venture. Yep, that's my shit out, alright. Hey, you know what? Let's not try to code for a bit. Let's do something else. I have a stream information. Apparently I do, but on my phone it doesn't, so. Because of the internet. Let's go ahead and try to exit that for meantime. Hey, it's a bit more stable than it used to. Because we're gonna try Vroid Studio while we're streaming it. But the last time I did this on mainstream, it freaking broke. So it kind of like didn't, it refused to work. So let's see if it works this time. Considering that we have a much more decent PC than we have. Let's try to desktop it a second here. We got need to here. Let's see if Vroid launches. Oh, it's launching. Awesome. Let's do Suzu, which is alternative. And we can pair it up with my mainstream, which is right there. But will it render? That is the question. Okay, so apparently it loaded quite well. So we're gonna do the. Never mind. My plan is to like, I don't know, put alternative in front and mainstream in the back. Not sure if that's gonna work, but we'll see. Oh my god, acrylic, I know, or just call it arsenic, but acrylic thing on the top here, that's really impressive. We probably might need some more acrylic stuff there, considering that I imported those themes from Windows 10. Alright, so we got the model itself. She's small. I like it. Oh wait. I just don't mind me switching between OBS and Vroid. I do that every day because it's just because I don't have quite the dongle for the thing for the dual monitor setup just yet. I might need a new and I might need a new table. It still tries to load, so let's just wait, I guess. Don't worry, it's just my mainstream just checking it because I have two monitors sitting right next to me. Oh, okay, there we go. Picture size is the 1080 by 1080. 6A898, just in case. Because that's my dearest scheme, but you know, we're gonna PNG it later on. Facial expression, let's not blink. Thanks. I didn't even realize that it has a transparency, so we can just default this to PNG, because it defaults to PNG, but the question is, where would I put it? Maybe in here? I think it might be a bad idea, because my plan is to deal with that on mainstream, but for whatever reason, I feel like the arrangement is gonna be wrong here because okay, let's not save this thing. Thanks, I appreciate it. My plan is that I'm gonna have to like put my mainstream in the background, and since we have a post for alternative that, you know, overlays the background, so let's try to get to that later. But for the time being, it froze, so a little bit of a notice there. I'll ASMR later on mainstream. So, Okasan voices, or like guys, voices ready for showtime. And probably because someone has to make a phone call, so probably we're gonna do 2 episodes today, two chapters today. If we can up that up a notch, maybe that would be great. But I don't know. It's it it's still the message. Oh, there it is. One. Let's try not to get through that and do this. Oh, there we go. There's the thing that I wanted to deal with. Post processing. We got anti-aliasing on. The facial expressions. 50. This one is 25. She's the tallest, so she's the tallest out of the two, but Vitres Maria says she's the smallest. In the background, let's remove that alpha thing. Because that spells opacity to me. I will try to save. I do have this profile here. Again, Emmy owns this PC, but I have it in here because we're shared at the moment. Maybe that will come on time for my own PC later, but for now, this is what we came up with. But hey, seems like it works so I'm not even complaining at this point. And since it's semi-decent at the previous one, it's very fast. I can play XVV quite fast enough, so hey. It's worth it. It's worth it. I can say that for myself. Alright, now that we're done here, let's not save that yet again. Oh Christ. Don't save, please, thank you. Let's go back to this one. So I assume now it's PNG, it will ramp up the colors. So here's my videos in comparison as it's my vroid. I'll showcase that later. This is the version 2.0 I was talking about, but it just missed. And the other on the third here, if you saw that before it swapped into the screen, was Sumiyoi, which is just another one of the characters associated with myself, and of course the Mary Jane Animation Studio, which is kind of like peculiar, but I can attest to that, so nah. Alright, so it load just now that it's done with that, so let's import to this thing. That's all. Alright, so it somehow reconnected on its own. Well, that was fast. So anyways, 50-50 thing. Alright. You can see the difference in their height, man. I'm kind of proud of myself for doing that, for having that. Now for the final truth, let's go ahead and remove its background and take a picture. Let's override it. Ah, there we go. That's Okay, so it finally have reconnected. So just take a look at some of the Vroid attempts that I did. This one is on my main. Most of these are my mainstream. This one is the V1, which I debuted, which I revealed just this year, last July of this year. This one, I actually made this one during its first Kaiser event that I just hosted on the mainstream, back when Emission wasn't a thing. As you can see here, it's a little bit too close to becoming a human-like appearance here because we got some ears right over there. So again, that was my interpretation back in the day. So it definitely was changed when V2 came around, which I will show in just a bit. This is the was supposed to be a PNG because I had the green screen. I just had to chroma key that. I was not aware of it being a transmitter I was unaware of having a transparency back in those days, so I had to implement that kind of chroma key before literal transparency becoming a thing. Because again, we have a PNG in there, so hey, that's what I have at the moment here. That I use that for my scheduling. This is I have right here. This is when I debuted the 1.0 of Kaiza Insight, and it continued until like the end of the event, which it's still the same, but it has a background change. That is good because on the first Kaiza event, I used the solid colors, so it's a nice shift and pace. And this background actually I just edited that from the original green, which is Vitas Maria's thing. This is the 1.0 at that time. It has lines over there as I was having to get back to vroid just a bit. So this is the original form factor. This is the one that I have here, which is my own, which is the interpretation of my vroid of my model. It has 668 and 898 back then, so and this is the original one. And it's what I had in the Twitter header back then, or X header, I should call it. And this is the default pose here, which you can see the background here is the green thing. I sourced it online, but okay, here we are again. Thanks so much. Hey, again, this is the background here. This was the default background for V3 Marias, which is my VTuber collective together with Mama Dearest, Ara Ostara, and Mama Queenie, Hina Ojo, or Hinatsuki. I'll shout them out. They're still on hiatus, but oh, there we go. And here's my shit. You can't see it on phone because announcements aren't included in the Twitch mobile at the moment, so it's kind of like a bummer. But hey, here we go. It has some bloom in here. I actually used that as a schedule one time. This is the default one here that I used for ASMR reading, the thumbnail itself, also for scheduling, which will come in. Okay, here we are again. So again, this is the Kaiza thing that I just had. What's next? Which I actually used it for the scheduling for the next one here. I have to build that on the next year's monthly Kaiza event, which occurs every July for the whole month of July. This one I intend to use that for the scheduling, of course, ASMR reading, but that has been changed because of the hair colors. I need it to match the palette that I had on the original PNG, which is an edit of an existing PNG, which was in a game. So this is the Vroid model itself. I didn't know that she was taller back then, but you know, this is my dearest Aura Astara. I kind of like to make a little bit of this interpretation in there. And here's the new hair color that I had, which is closely resembles the original hair color I had on the edited one. And you know, it's like kind of like relations here. And here is Sumioi. When I told you about that, Sakura Sumioi from Mary Jane. And here's the Kaleidosekai edition, but I kept the cosmetics here, like the eyebrows, yellow. I don't know why, but so here's the next one here is just the adjusted one. I kept that as a default. The only thing right now is to edit the dress to make it like a long sleeve and a square neck. And here's the reveal photo trailer here. Here's the schedule one that appeared with the trailer itself, and here's the references for that, just back and front, or front and back. They were all from Vroid Studio itself, so that's also 6 days to go. So and also this one here. Again, I had the cosmetics the same, but for not except for the hair, because it adheres with the 3rd anniversary of. I think it's. No, not anything. That it's just a 2nd anniversary of of the publishing pack that I have, which ties to Venus-san Diaries. So, and here's the same pose, which was on the mainstream. One of the Okasan, the one I think it's like in the worm when I have it on the mainstream, but it's for V2. This one here, I actually had to make a thumbnail of that for Henry Stickman, which is on Restream. This is the ASMR profile picture here for my ASMR channel, which is at ASMR on YouTube. It will launch after like my live session, so maybe I can do some episodic segments, but for now I'm gonna be using this Okasan look. Supposedly this is gonna be my thing, so here's the PNG that associated with talk about acrylic or arsenic, whatever the hell that is. And here's the thing itself, this is the alternative, this is the mainstream. Again, they're all anti-alias, but let's try to VS Code again. And now that we're done with Vroid snaps. I crashed. There we go. Software development. That I think website counts as a software, right? And we just changed categories. because a website is also essentially a software. So updated 20 September. Okay. Now how do we do it here? Hmm. All right. All right. Relay. Okay. Okay. So what my plan here is I'll lower here. Okay. I think I know what to do. So my plan here is to put that in here. I think we're gonna have to get on the vroid snaps real quick here. Where is screenshots folder? I gotta up it, up a folder one bit, because we're gonna be putting that in here. In GitHub. Normal.github.io. Let's do left. I think left. Now we gotta do where is that's BG, okay. A new life with the leaves. Emotes. Emojis. This is we're now using Windows 11 emojis, probably. But you know, the branding is still the same as on Windows 10, so a new life with the leaves. I have the integration stream. Okay, so somehow lagged for a second there, but that's on the tablet. But hey, we're back. Okay. Okay. Every Friday and Wait. You have the link and set. You have the link set. Okay. Um. Okay. We have some other updates there, but okay. Height. Auto height. Did that even work? No. Okay. Did I just do 8? Nope. Okay, would that even work? Background, size, cover, background, position. I'll repeat. Okay, let's remove the height. Let's see if that works. Okay. Aspect ratio, let's not get rid of that. Height equals 100%. Oh. Oh, it's just contained. Never mind. Okay. There we go. 250 PX. It's saved. Let's just do 375 just for a change of pace. There we go. Okay, radius. %. With 100% aspect. Okay, maybe I could go with the child element, which is that one. Well, that works. Okay, sure. Let's see if that even helped. Nope. Okay, so height. How about auto itself? Let's see. Width. $375 PX. Max width 100%. With was 100%. Okay, let's see if that even works. But I'm sure it's gonna be ugly. Oh. Hey, it works! We're upping up our game, that's sure. Do we have a button? We don't have a button. That is... Okay, sure. Let's just do... Okay, we're almost done. I just had to deal with this one. Let's try to do 250 PX again. That way we know it works. Okay. Let's just remove that. Let's do another div. Okay. Style. No. Okay, here we go. Max width is 100%. Height equals auto. Let's see if that works. Margin 0 auto, but it doesn't appear to be doing something in there. Probably div inside, image inside div inside div. It's like divception all over the place. Let's see if that even one works. If it doesn't, well, we'll have to use other options. How can I censor this shit? Doesn't make any sense. With style, with 100%, I guess. No, that also doesn't work. But what did I do here? Oh, maybe we can go just auto things. Auto 0. Alright, no, but let's not remove. Let's not have the auto for me time and just the artist one. Line break. There we go. That's more like it. And also we gotta BR this one too, just in case. Oh god. Alright. Schedule! The schedule! Schedule, where the hell is it? Oh, it was on the HTML itself? Okay. Let's do 1000 px. Alright, that's more like it. That's more. Okay, now that's more like it. I think we're done. Mamaris, Belsa, with Theme, at least two here. I think it's Lucius right over there. And your life with the leaves. Um, let's try to put that in here. About 300. I think doesn't change. Alright, let's reload again. Okay, I'm just an idiot. I saved it, so I don't know. Let's control you. Oh yeah, it did. I'm just an idiot. I don't know which one to choose, either 375 or 300. So it kind of is already kind of obvious there, so. But let's see. BG head intro. Intro. Okay. I think I found another idea here. Let's go ahead and remove that div over here. Let's just href JavaScript show. Okay, here it is. Now let's see if that even works. Show channels. Alright, let's try to script that out here. Function show channels. Document get. Let's ID it first. ID show channels. But we need the button function. In which I do. So let's see, where is the on click window open thing? Okay. You have the button on click thing. Okay. Whoa. Alternative. Let's check it out here. Huh? Hidden. Okay. Okay, now let's see if that JS works. Gosh. Okay. Okay, let's check the dev console or the dev tools. Let's check the console here. How do we do that again? No, I'm not gonna do jQuery. Oh, display? Okay. Oh, none. This one we're gonna do display block. I forgot all about it. Never mind. But it still has the same thing. Let's take a look here. On-caught reference error show channels. Or maybe that could even work. That's again, that's Did I have to do block quotes on this thing? Maybe that would be my fault because it's been a while since I had these kinds of JavaScripts. Okay, I guess that works. Okay, now let's see. What do we have on the buttons? Where are the buttons, mine? Text. Font size. size parent. I gotta have to poop this out for a bit, because look. Ooh! Oh my Christ. Okay, here we go. So here's the about thing I was trying to convey. Alright, let's try it again. There we go. Now let's do the thing. Okay. There you go. Let's put that in the CSS thing here. Again, a little bit. I'm still coughing. Hopefully it dissipates soon. Okay. Okay, you know what? Let's try to do it another way around. Let's do. Okay. Class. Let's take a look at the essential. Control U. Where's the CSS itself? Background blend mode normal, okay. Background blend mode normal. Okay. According to the CSS that I have on Astra Central, it appears at the in here and as well. Okay. There we go. Let's see if that even works. Oh, I forgot. I'm an idiot. Why do I have to deal with that? Well, finally decided to delay my main streams AS Reading for a while because, well, good timing because I just got a phone call there, so. It's not broken, thank goodness. It's way too fucking durable. But you know, there's gonna be some sort of mishaps in there. The tablet fell off. Christ, I might have to clip that later. But for now, all I can say is this tablet is still alive. This tablet is still alive. I'm actually surprised. It fell down a couple of times. Even some of them are even stronger than those things. Even my JX7 Pro cannot handle that because some of it has a crack on it. It doesn't even have a protection layer to it. It also doesn't even have a protector, but even still, it's way too freaking durable. Acer Iconia 110 already discontinued, but ouch. It's still in its perfect shape. I don't know if it's quite different. I don't know if the touch will be a bit different, but color. Okay, let's try not to do that. Ah, there we go. Now that's more like it. Mainstream alternative being this one. Oh, about this channel. Okay, so now we know how it works here. But can we do BR? Can we do a new line styling thing, like VR styling? I'm not sure if that will work, but That ain't gonna work. Okay, sure. But hey, we got this in here. That's great. Ouch. Um. My back it's kind of itchy, but hey, at least we're done here. I'll be back very soon. Until next time, just right here on the bottom. I still have the life to the purchased just yet, so hey, at least we're done. We're gonna commit these things. Updated 20 September 2023. Right. Let's launch GitHub. Alright, let's see how it goes there. It doesn't have any citations from dates or anything, so we're good. Of course, most important part being this one here. Alright. Alright, let's commit those. And push the yante, push mo yante. Alright, we are done. Now who do we raid? Nah, I don't know. Fuck. Now who do we raid at this hour? Mama Riorio is streaming right now, so let's go ahead and give her a shout. S.O. Riorio Dayo. Alright. I gotta copy this one out. Alright, here it is. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope you enjoy this hour-long stream. It's still a bit of a disconnect, but I'm sure we're already an hour long here. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on Friday for a hashtag Evertell Friday. That's gonna be quite interesting, since we got the no face clip here. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time on Friday and Saturday with Evertell Friday and Evertell Saturday. Bye bye. Ace Meridian will begin on mainstream later.